that's a good question. I didn't do a master's. Masters are a little bit different in the US. Master's is something you usually don't start off with. You may start with a PhD and choose to leave with a master's. I didn't work for a company. I almost worked for a company. And I think I was just curious about academia. I had an advisor who was also from Oxford, who was the geneticist working in C. elegans, who really was asking very basic questions. So asking the question, why are proteins glycosylated, is asking, say, where do bacteria come from? I mean, or why are lipids lipids? It was so basic that I fixated on that. And I think, to me, having wanted to be a physician, being a scientist and working on developing drugs was not too dissimilar. I mean, obviously I wasn't treating patients, but I think there's a lot of parallels, and I think the scientific discovery for me was exciting. I haven't worked explicitly in a company. I've interacted with companies, and I know that the people that I've spoken with and my friends who do it have the same experiences. It's a little bit different because it's a different beast. It's a different, depending on the company, it can be a massive company of thousands of employees, or it can be a small company. But at the end of the day, it's the same type of work. What is this protein doing? Can we make a better drug? How does a drug work? Why are proteins glycosylated? I think that's a question that industry would ask. I know people even more recently that have joined companies who are going to be academics, and they love it. I mean, I think it's, if you're a scientist and if you love science, academia, or industry, I think it's, I think you'll always be captivated by it.